Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable and practical produce bags without sewing, so let's get started. So for the smaller bag, start by cutting out two pieces that are 9.5 inches by 8 3/4 of an inch for the body. The bottom piece, which is 9.5 inches by 4.5 inches, and the two pieces for the opening, which are 9 inches by 2.5 inches. The measurements for the larger bag will be written in the description. And two strands of ribbon or string that are between 22 and 32 inches. Place one piece of your body down, then place the bottom piece right side down and pin it to stay in place. Now grab your speedsew fabric glue, a Q-tip for a precise application, and a dish or container lid to squeeze the speedsew onto. Remove 1 to 2 pins at a time and start applying a line of speedsew lengthwise. Fold the fabric back over, apply pressure, and repeat on the other half. Let that side dry, then flip over the fabric. Now place the other body piece over the right side of the bottom piece and repeat the same gluing steps. And if you get some glue on your table while doing this, don't worry, speedsew easily comes off hard surfaces with some friction. Let it dry, then you can fold open the fabric. Apply a line of speedsew to the flap, fold it over, apply pressure, and repeat on the other side. This will make the bag more supportive and give it a cleaner look. Now place one piece of the 9 by 2.5 inch fabric right side up under one side of the body piece, and start applying a line of glue lengthwise, apply pressure, and repin it to stay in place, and repeat the same steps on the other side. Once both sides are dry, remove the pins and flip the fabric over and fold it in half, and flip both opening pieces so the right sides are facing each other. Align both sides and pin one side down. Apply a line of glue to the bottom and the body sections, leaving the top fabric pieces unglued. Once both sides are dry, remove the pins and turn the bag right side out. Fold in the excess fabric on the sides and glue them down. Then apply glue to the top edge and fold the fabric over, creating a tunnel for your string. And make sure to run your hands between both sides to ensure the two sides don't get glued together. Grab one piece of your string and a pencil. Lightly tie your string to the pencil and put it through the bag. Once you've made your way around, knot both ends of the string together and repeat with your other piece of string, starting on the opposite end. And just like that, you created an adorable and useful produce bag without sewing using speedsew fabric glue. Thanks for watching!